If your employer does not have workers' compensation coverage, that does not preclude you from receiving workers' compensation benefits. In New York State, the law is that all employers must carry workers' compensation coverage in New York State. However, if your employer does not have coverage, you can go through the Uninsured Employers Fund, which is a fund that's set up in New York State, which acts like an insurance company if your employer does not have coverage. Unfortunately, those cases take a little bit longer than the average case because you would need to prove employment because a lot of these employers that don't have coverage pay their employers in cash. However, you ultimately will be compensated. You will typically see this when the client is not a legal resident or is working off the books, but ultimately, as long as you have some kind of proof, such as text messages, a uniform, or something connecting you to the job, we are able to prove that you worked there, how much you earned, and get you your money. So if your employer says they don't have workers' compensation coverage, you're still covered.